Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the day 4, comparing reactions and making responsible choices. This is Science 10, Term 1, Week 8. Objectives: compare endothermic and exothermic reactions according to heat transfer, observable effects, bond energy, and practical applications. Develop and present a group-based visual solution that classifies real-world processes and recommends responsible practices, and demonstrate appreciation for the safe and sustainable use of chemical processes in the community. For motivational activity, reaction relay, sort, defend, correct. So this is the type of activity is theme reasoning challenge. Two labeled areas on the board: endothermic or energy absorbed, exothermic or energy released. The process card, adhesive tape. Okay, the process cards, it involves photosynthesis, burning wood, fireworks exploding, cooking an egg, instant cold pack becoming cold. Oxidation of steel wool, baking bread, combustion of LPG, melting ice, formation of ammonia from nitrogen and hydrogen. Directions: divide the class into small teams. Each team forms a line. The first member takes a process card and posts it under the category believed to be correct. The next member takes another card and continues until all cards are sorted. Okay, after sorting, each team chooses two cards to defend using the statement. This is classified as blanco. Anong classification nun? Because energy blank the system. So, a point is earned for correct placement and another point for correct scientific reasoning. Okay, photosynthesis, that is endothermic. It absorbs light energy. Burning wood, that is exothermic. It releases heat and light. Fireworks, exothermic, releases heat, light, and sound. Cooking an egg, endothermic. It absorbs heat during cooking. Instant cold pack, endothermic, it absorbs heat from the surroundings. Okay, oxidation of steel wool, that is exothermic, releases heat as iron oxide forms. Baking bread, endothermic processes, it requires absorption of heat. Combustion of LPG or the liquefied petroleum gas, that is exothermic, releases energy during burning. Melting ice, that is endothermic physical change, it absorbs heat but does not form a new substance. Ammonia formation, that is exothermic, heat is released during ammonia formation. Okay, the scenario: planning a safer and greener school fair. Okay, the grade 10 science club is preparing for a school fair with the theme chemistry for a better community. The proposed booth include the following: a cold pack first aid station for sports injuries, a barbecue booth using charcoal, a plant growing corner that explains photosynthesis, a fireworks display for the closing program, and a food booth that cooks pasta using large uncovered pots. Okay, the school advisor reminded the club that every booth must explain its energy change and must follow practices that reduce safety risk and environmental harm. Okay, for guide question, which proposed booth demonstrate an endothermic process related to first aid? Okay, that is the cold pack first aid station. It demonstrates an endothermic process because the pack absorbs heat. Which two booths include exothermic processes that may produce heat or emissions? Okay, the barbecue booth using charcoal and the fireworks display involve exothermic processes. Why is the plant growing corner connected to an endothermic process? So because the photosynthesis is considered as endothermic because it absorbs light energy. What is one concern related to the fireworks display? Okay, fireworks may cause smoke, noise, waste, and possible safety risks. Safer alternatives or strict safety measures should be considered. What improvement can be made to the pasta cooking booth to conserve energy? So yun, you may cover the pots while boiling pasta and use only the needed amount of water to conserve energy. Which green chemistry idea is emphasized in the advisor's reminder? Okay, using chemical processes safely, reducing waste, conserving energy, and minimizing harm to people and the environment. Okay, for discussion, important ideas to remember. Okay, similarities: both endothermic and exothermic chemical reactions involve reactants and products. It involves energy changes, may involve breaking and forming bonds, may produce new substances, and have useful applications in daily life. Okay, doon naman tayo sa differences. Okay, sa feature, heat transfer, ang endothermic, it absorbs energy, while the exothermic, it releases energy. Okay, the surroundings may become colder sa endothermic kasi nga inabsorb niya yung energy. Sa exothermic naman, may become warmer kasi nag-release nga siya ng energy. Okay, bond energy comparison, sa endothermic, more energy absorbed than released. Sa exothermic naman, more energy released than absorbed. Okay, energy in equation, written with reactants. Ang exothermic naman, written with products. Ano yung energy sa endothermic, nasa reactants. Sa exothermic, nasa products nakasulat yung energy. Example, photosynthesis ang endothermic and burning wood ang exothermic. Important clarification, melting ice is endothermic because it absorbs heat, but it is a physical change, not a chemical reaction. The substance remains water before and after melting. Okay, for motivational activity, Eco Reaction Expo. Design a responsible community booth o activity description. Each group will create and present a booth proposal for a school science fair. The booth must feature a real-world example of an endothermic or exothermic process, explain the science accurately, and promote safety and environmental responsibility. Okay, group assignments. Each group will receive or select one booth, and then the team, ayan, pipili dyan sa mga team na yan. Halimbawa, yung health sports booth, ang kailangan dyan is instant cold pack. Agriculture booth, that is photosynthesis and crop growth. Food innovation booth, cooking or baking. Doon naman sa community energy, LPG or charcoal combustion. Energy in farming, ammonia production for fertilizers. Celebration safety, that is fireworks and safer alternatives. Okay, materials, Manila paper or cartolina. Markers and coloring materials. Ruler, recycled decorative materials when available. Activity guide sheet. Instructions, step 1, select and name the booth. Create an appealing booth name related to the assigned process. Example, Kool-Aid Corner, Science of Instant Cold Packs. Doon naman sa isang sample, Sunlight to Harvest, Energy in Plant Growth. Cook Smart, Save Energy. Step number 2, classify the process. O kung ano ba yun, endothermic or exothermic. Include a one-sentence explanation of the classification. Then step number 3, show energy movement. Draw a diagram showing the system and the surroundings. Use arrows to show the movement of energy. Kung yan ba ay endothermic, ang arrow is pointing, going to the system, papasok. For exothermic, the arrow pointing out of the system or palabas. Step number 4, explain the science. Write a short explanation containing the materials or substances involved, what happens during the process, whether heat is absorbed or released, and at least one observable effects or useful application. Step number 5, include a responsible practice panel. Add a section entitled Use It Responsibly. Provide at least 3 safety, environmental, or energy-saving practices related to the process. Ayan, examples, use efficient cooking methods, avoid unnecessary smoke production, use only small quantities of materials during demonstrations, dispose of materials properly, choose safer alternatives to harmful displays, support clean energy in industrial processes. Step number 6, prepare the presentation. Each group will deliver a 2-minute presentation containing number 1, booth name and featured process, classification as endothermic or exothermic, explanation of energy movement, importance of the process in daily life or society, and responsible practices recommended by the group. Okay, expected content per group theme, ayan. Yan yung magiging expected result. So, instant cold pack, endothermic, use properly, dispose of, use, pack responsibly. Photosynthesis, endothermic, conserve water, protect soil, plant responsibly. Cooking or baking, endothermic process, cover pots, use efficient appliances, avoid food waste. Ayan, LPG or charcoal combustion, exothermic, use fuel efficiently, ensure ventilation, reduce smoke exposure. Ammonia production, that is exothermic, support cleaner energy and reduce emissions. Fireworks, exothermic, sa responsible practice. Observe safety rules, minimize pollution, consider safe alternatives. Ayan, for rubric, ito.